Hello and welcome to another quick update about Ethereum. Not many changes here. We moved, as I said in the previous video, we moved above this 1620 level. We didn't hold it though. We moved up to 1650 and we're now coming down quite strongly. This is not necessarily unusual movement. Ethereum can stay in the current wave pattern as long as this wave 2 low is holding. So what we talked about is that the decline from $2,020, when we came down here, can be considered as a wave A. And in the previous video, I talked about the different options. So I just want to make a quick video here in this, or the quick update in this video. So what we can understand is that this is a wave A, a 5-wave move, that we bottomed out here for now at 1420. As long as we hold this level, the chart is in a daily uptrend. More specifically, it's the 1440 level actually. So we then moved up from there in a wave A. We're now coming down in a wave B, and we would move up in a wave C. Why? Because it is part of a larger A, B, C pattern. And the wave B itself is a 3-wave move. So the subwaves of that blue wave B consist of 3 waves. A, already done, B, probably already done, and wave C currently ongoing. In the wave C, it looks like we've done already the wave 1 and the wave 2, and we're moving up in a wave 3. The wave 3, of course, not happening in a straight line. Could very well be that this here was only the wave 1 of the wave 3. We're now coming down in the wave 2 of the wave 3. And let's take a look at how low we actually came in that wave 2. So that was basically bouncing off the 61.8% fib level. We did not close. I mean, we closed the hourly candle below that, but then we recovered in the next hourly candle. So let's see if this is another 1-2. Where could we come down to? Let's say it is the 61.8% fib level again. We could assume the 1565 level, 1565, and then bounce from there. A possibility. So overall, whatever happens here in the lower time frame, still, in my opinion, the focus is on higher at the moment. We're still making higher highs. We're making higher lows at the moment. And as long as that's the case, we can focus on wave 3, which should target sort of the 1700 range. But if this is a wave 1 coming down in the 2 now, it might actually be higher than that. In addition to that, what we want to draw a trend line here that might be very relevant. There's various ways of drawing this one. Maybe this one is even the more relevant one because you get more touch points. So this would allow the price to come back to around about 1550, 1540. Certainly something to keep an eye on. Could even be an ascending wedge, which would be a bit of a warning signal. This would be a rather, let's say, bearish pattern, and could actually indicate that, yes, we've seen here a wave A. We might actually still be, in some kind of a corrective move here to the upside. So all of this could also be a wave A of some sort. So it's something more complex might be unfolding. Keep an eye on this ascending wedge. Certainly worth having it on the chart. But a breakout of the same would indicate that we continue our move up in a wave 3. What also is worth mentioning, and that is quite bullish actually. We talked in one of the previous videos about Ethereum's descending wedge, out of which we actually broke out, which is actually quite a bullish signal here. So we talked about this, and I mean, maybe we're now coming down for a retest. Now that would actually mean we come down to possibly around $1,520, So it's just something, just because we retrace at the moment, doesn't necessarily mean we are crashing down or anything. As long as the previous swing low is holding at around about 1515, it's all fine. So here this descending wedge was quite large. We've been in this since middle of August, and we have broken out yesterday. And so this is generally a bullish signal. Also, we broke out with volume. It's good as well. So again, as long as we're sort of holding here this trend line, it's all good. Even if we come below that, I would still give it the benefit of the doubt of retesting the descending wedge, descending trend line from above before kicking off further to the upside, because we have not yet reached target here. We have not yet reached Ethereum wave B target. So I'm still focused on that between 1770 and 1920 before going lower in a wave C. So let me just explain once more. The overall sell-off here, the correction, has not finished yet. So that means we are here in a larger downtrend at the moment. Within the larger downtrend, we're in a short-term uptrend here within wave B, but we would eventually come down in a wave C. So that's sort of how I see Ethereum at the moment. That's just a quick update about how the ETH price, in my opinion, is going to develop, the key levels to watch out for. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.